So today, my husband and I are going to try to fix this. The air conditioner leaked and it ran down and it made this floor hump up like this. We can't seem to find anybody that's willing to come work on it and fix it for us. So we're gonna do it ourselves. We've never done this. We haven't watched any YouTube videos on how to do it, but we're gonna fix it. Okay, we're making progress. We got one board out. The subfloor is not humped up, which is a good thing. The only thing is that this board here is really long and we don't need to replace all of that. So I think we're gonna have to cut it. We've got all the wood out that we're gonna take out. And we damaged a piece right there a little bit, but I think we could glue that. We can't put it in too tight right along here because this is where we damaged it and we're gonna have to glue it. We got some lead weights and a heavy chair we can put on this after we put some wood glue in it, and hopefully it will be all right. Not perfect, but at least there won't be Mount Everest, as we were calling it. Piece of wood that we cracked a little bit, we put some wood glue under it and we've got weights on it. We put some wax paper down and then a board and then the weights, and hopefully that'll dry up in a couple hours and we can put the last board in. The last board is in. It's a little lighter color because it hasn't been exposed to scale. And we put a couple nails up in here to hold it. We got some putty in there to try to hide the nail holes. There's a little crack right here, but overall,
it's a vast improvement.
Yes, it's pretty good. You can walk over it and not stub your toe.